Now, here's Storm Team 10 meteorologist Chris Cozart.
6:42 this morning. Beautiful start across Acadiana here. Mostly sunny skies. A few low-level clouds here and there. You can definitely see that in New Iberia with our Sky 10 camera on top of the Community First Bank there near Admiral Doyle Drive. But overall, another great start. Nice and dry here. Just warm and muggy outside. No showers, no storms. Mid-70s in New Iberia. Here in Lafayette, we're at 77 and it feels like 78. Any type of light fog we were dealing with, not seeing it any longer here. On your Monday forecast, we're going to be hitting the mid-90s. A couple spotty showers or storms possible. Look at the heat index, 98 to 110 degrees. So the next few days, it's all about the heat. By Thursday, it's all about the rain. And it's very deja vu for what we had last week there. Rogue shower there in the coastal regions of Vermilion Parish. That's it on Storm Team 10 radar. Chance of rain looks pretty slim today. Just a pop-up shower or storm. If you hadn't had a chance to get out to cut the grass because it's been so wet since last week, today or tomorrow is the time to get it done. If you want it to dry out a little bit further, you have tomorrow, but then some scattered rain back Wednesday. Definitely get the yard work done before Thursday. Rain's likely all the way through the weekend. Mid to upper 70s this morning, no matter where you're at, from the coast to the north here, and dew points are right around 75 degrees. A pretty typical late July morning for us. Temperatures will be running a little bit above average here, reaching the mid-90s. That brings that heat index right around 106 degrees. Could be some areas that go hotter than that, so that's why we stress hydrate. Try to take those breaks if you're going to be outside. Gulf Coast has really settled down since last week, but that will change. All that moisture and even part of that kind of DNA from Invest 93L is out there across the western Atlantic, and it will come back to the west and run along the northern Gulf Coast. Model's definitely not as aggressive this week with any type of tropical formation here with this. Regardless, all that heavy rains will spread right to Louisiana and come in Thursday and beyond. National Hurricane Center watching that one wave out there in the Atlantic. Atlantic's starting to wake up a little bit here. A lot of dust out there right now, so there's really a little chance for this to develop. It shouldn't develop at all. And notice there's not highlighting anything in the Gulf currently. If they do, it's going to be a 10 to 20% chance. It's going to be very similar to last week. It'd probably be a depression if anything does develop there, but it looks highly unlikely at this point. Rain chances on this Monday, pretty minimal for the first half of the day. Pop-up shower or storm for the afternoon. Temperatures, again, a little bit above average here, hitting about 94. Average now is 92, so we're close. We're getting into the dog days of summer, per se. Very hot with some spotty showers for the afternoon. 94 for high. Mid to upper 70s tonight. 95 tomorrow. 93 on Wednesday with some scattered rain. And here comes another tropical nuisance. In fact, it's basically part of the system from last week, just looping back around to take another shot at us here. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, tropical rains will be on and off. Some heavy rains in there, some gusty winds, and there will be some localized flash flooding threat, I think, on a daily basis starting Thursday and beyond. Let's enjoy more music, though, on this Monday morning and head back out to Gerald.